Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nilang Shumaji from Indian School of Ethical Hacking, and today I'll discuss about cyber law. And also, I'm taking classes over the cyber law in our Indian School of Ethical Hacking. And nowadays, you guys know that how those laws are depending on cybers. And as you can see, these days there are many impersonate things like some phishing link, some VoIP calls, and some other things are nowadays hampering our daily lives. So for that reason, we have to maintain the cyber law, what we can do, or even if we are doing that, then what we have to do, and what are the things that we have to follow. And nowadays, that some of those companies, some of those new by ethical hackers also coming to this field, and they unknowingly doing some such activities. Those are harmful, but in their ways, those are not harmful. For an example, as you can see, there are some city of challenges happening in colleges. Okay, we know that. But did you know that some of the players they DDoS attack on their server, on their own server actually. Okay, so this thing actually present in ethical hacking. Okay, so unknowingly, if you are doing this, then it will become in cyber law, and these are mainly uh, come into some 66 sections of things, and I will discuss further. Let me present you a slide. So, this is a slide. So, why? What is cyber law? Nowadays, we are already hacking from YouTube, learning hacking from YouTube, from anywhere in the articles, etc. So we know that what are the impact of that, but we don't know what are the law against it. We know how to make a phishing link, how to generate a IP grabber link, but we don't know the main law behind it. Let me discuss with you one of some things. Like in these chapters, I will teach you some of the cyber laws, mainly from the 66 sections. These are actually impacting our daily lives. 65 are some common sections that you have already heard, but I'm coming to a point. So, introduction to cyber laws. As you know, cyber laws are depending on some cyber theories. What is cyber theory? Okay, cyber theory is like what we are doing that couldn't be impact our daily life. Okay, if it is impacting, then it should be legal. Either it would be legal, illegal. So types of cyber laws in IT. Mainly, we are working on an IT department. Most of the people will working on IT department, and there are some follow rules for follow setups. What are we should have to follow, like the data protection and privacy laws. As we know, some of them, if you're joining a company, then we have to press thumb stamps or thumb impressions to the company section, or the company biometric department. Okay, so this is come under the data protection and the privacy. What is privacy? We already know that what is privacy. Like if we're leaking something, that is under privacy, right? No, that is not privacy. Privacy is like your the main thing which is you are independing on. Okay, like your fingerprint, that is a privacy. Your identity card, that's also privacy. Your chat messages, that's also come into privacy. So not only object, it is come to our daily life, which are we are depending on. That's also come into privacy. Next, cybercrime laws. Cybercrime laws. mm, Look, like I'm using another one's computer. Okay, so if I am sending a message to someone who mm, whom I don't know, okay, but using his computer, then this is under cybercrime because I am not. I'm just using his email without his authorization. So that's under cybercrime laws. Intellectual property laws. It is, as you can see from the words, it is a property laws. Property laws means you are doing some kind of hacking which have some loss of property. Okay, like you are doing some unauthorized transactions from someone's account which is related to financial things. So you are damaging the financial status. So it is come under property laws. E-commerce and digital transaction laws or carding. As you guys heard that someone has ordered something from their websites, someone has ordered some other things like pizza or any digital cardings. So from any digital transactions, those are not valid. This come under carding. Yeah, one more thing, this has a strict rule. Okay, in India this has a strict rule. Cyber security laws. As I told before, cyber crime laws and these are cyber security laws. Cyber crime, where you are doing a crime, okay, and cyber security, where the section is connected to the security section, like you are doing a DDoS attack, you are doing a server attack, that could be under cyber security laws. Telecommunications and media laws. As you guys heard of that SIM cloning. Okay, so SIM cloning in India is super illegal thing. So in telecommunications and media laws, this is mostly effective and mostly dangerous. And it's if I'm not wrong, you will be punished. You will be punished for around 10 or 15 years of something. Last is regulations on digital currency and fintech. Digital currencies nowadays, you heard of that Modi ji has already stopped the Bitcoin transactions and Vagera. So these are the transactions that we is currently doing on digital cryptocurrencies like currencies, cryptocurrencies, etc., which has no history. But if you come here and learn from something ethical hacking, you can learn that we can, yes, we can make the history of a digital currency. Next, we're coming to the next point. It is fintech. Oh, yes, one more thing. The fintech. The fintech is nothing. Fintech means the financial technology. Okay, the financial technology means that we are coming from some financial things that have no other values, like Amazon gift card, like what do you can say? Google Pay gift card. These are the fintech values. So if we illegally do the fintech carding, then it will be under cyber law. Next, cyber prudentia mindset. Cyber prudentia is nothing but cyber prudentia means if you are doing something legal or illegal, then you have to take the mindset of what I am doing. Okay, what will be the impact of what after this will happen, what before this will happen, this all. Also, if you're doing illegal things, then it will be mostly dangerous. Next, these are the punishments we have right now. Okay, let me look it up. Right? Okay, fine. Just hold on, guys. Okay, the main IPC, as I told you, 66. 66 is the main IP section that comes into cybercrime, cyber security, and the cyber laws. Okay, so sections and 66 IPC, which is nothing but sending offensive messages through communication service. Okay, as a real life incident, I'm taking okay, your someone you know, okay, he's sending you some slang languages over the SMS, over the WhatsApp messages. Okay, so these are come under 66 IPC. You can take the legal action and give him a 3 years of imprisonment or fine up to 5 lakh of rupees. Okay, this only not connected to WhatsApp, normal text messages. Not this only. It can be vast up to WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, etc. Make sure one more thing. Always make sure to catch some screenshots while messaging on Telegram, because Telegram has that capability to read both. Next is 66B IPC. It is receiving stolen computer, mobile phone data. Okay, it's like someone has thrown his old laptop. Someone has thrown his old laptop to his garbage or like anything, and you are taking his hard disk, taking his SSD, pen drive, etc., and doing a data recovery. After that, you are using those data against him. So this is under 66B IPC. It can be same 3 years of imprisonment and 5 lakh rupees of fine, or both. Okay, because as I told you before, this is impersonating someone. Next, 66C. 66 normal was there, 66B, 66C. 66C is biometric thumb impression is misused. If my company, I'm taking as an example, if my company use a biometric thumb impression and use it somewhere else, like for unauthorized access, or some taking some sensitive information, or spoofing, or intercepting like me, or disguised like me, then it could be punishment for 3 years of imprisonment or 5 up to 5 lakh, or both. Make sure in the 66 sections there are many things, including the cyber laws, and also the punishment are actually same: 3 years of imprisonment or 5 lakh rupees, or the both. So make sure you don't use them. 66D, phishing links and asking for login credentials. Okay, you guys know that nowadays you can make a phishing link. Okay, phishing link making is easy as usual, but behind that we have a section of 66D. If you are making a URL and mimicking legitimate website link, or any other Facebook, Twitter, any other social site, if you caught, then you will be punished for 2 years of imprisonment or fine up to 1 lakh rupees, or both. Next, the 66E IPC, capturing, publishing, or transmitting the image of a private area without person's consent. Nowadays, sextortion, child pornography has been increasing. Okay, so these are the things that comes under 66E. Without someone's knowledge, if you are sharing his some private pictures, then it could be under 66E. And as you know, its punishment is around 5 years, and also you have to fine up to 5,000 rupees. This is also always come under 66E. 65. Now you guys told me that why cert 66E and after that 65E IPC. Actually, these are all related to cyber laws. Okay. Now it is come under cyber security laws because it is connected to the technology of computer. 65 IPC. As I told you before, the carding thing. Okay, tampering and carding. The price tampering in carding is kind of same, and now it is added with computer source code. Tampering with computer source code involves unauthorized alteration of software programming. Like you guys have already know that we already using some mod APKs, some cracked exe files. So if they got who cracked that, then they could be charged under 65 IPC, and they could be punished for 3 years of imprisonment or 5 lakh both. The next is conclusion. It will I'll told it later. And one more thing that I already have told you guys is like, yeah, 66B, receiving stolen computer. One more thing, including that, if you are going to a company and some laptop you got, okay, and you are using that laptop for some unethical purpose, or the data you coming from that came from the laptop, you are using the data for different purpose, that could be a illegal purpose. Make sure for the punishment is, as I told you, 3 years or 5 lakh rupees, and the receiving stolen data will be seized from you. Also, it is charged against some criminal offences. If I'm not wrong, that will be some legal penalties, some fines, and some imprisonment also. Also, your name will be in criminal format. 66, as I told you, biometric. Yes, biometric. Yeah, one more thing. If you're giving some company your biometric data, okay, and it is not under the ISO, okay, then after leaving, they have the right to delete your data, okay, not to living with the data. You are leaving, your data should be leave, or your data should be deleted, okay. Biometric thumb impression always is a secure channel. Our thumb impression is always different from each other. As you know, as DNA, as biometric is different from each other. So it could be a legal purpose and it could be a security purpose, but not in illegal things. 66D, as I told you, phishing links. Okay, phishing links. Let me show one more thing. Hold on. Just let me show you one thing. Mm, okay. This is a browser, okay. And if I'm searching for some phishing link, look, there will be many websites that are publishing phishing link, okay. Camfish, look, Camfish. some GitHub pages. They're also making, but we don't know the law against it. Okay, if we got the main victim behind it, it could be charged against that law that I have told you. It is 66D. Okay, one more thing, it is under 66C, the biometric thumb impression. Okay, as per the link, biometric biometric thumb impression. Hold on. Look, in AI, it is also giving the security, convenience, and accuracy. Okay, the security is the main thing. Always know, if you're leaving a company, if you're leaving somewhere, your data should be deleted. Okay, ask them that my data deleted or not. If not, then tell them to ask delete your data. Biometric thumb impressions provide a high level of security as they are difficult to replicate or forge. It is not actually that difficult, it is nowadays is easy. And accuracy, yes, these are highly accurate. Okay, so nowadays some other hackers now they are impersonating your thumb impression for the other card formats, for unlocking your other devices, for forging your computer uh, pins and other things. Nowadays, there are some computer fingerprint sensors that could be forged. Okay, so these are the main things that could be remind. Okay, now please hold on. Okay, from here I was going to show you that. Okay, so intellectual property laws. Okay, so intellectual property laws means some other financial transaction. Yes, as I told you, some other property means as I can see here, yeah. I'm using your phone. Okay, in phone I just downloaded an APK or any software or any application that could harm your device. I know that, but I'm just testing your device. Okay, in friend zone, in the friends, it's common nowadays, but mistakenly it already have got some other destroying things in your phone. Then what will you do? Yes, you can charge him for the law, but it's your friend, obviously. But you can do data protection, nothing. Data protection and privacy laws. Also, yes, in the data protection section, you have total of 3 or 4 layers. Okay, in the data protection, also you have to maintain the security path. Security path means that the file you are sharing on. Okay, the path you are using, the Wi-Fi you are using, the antivirus you are using. These are also coming to data protection. If a lawyer sees the who is hacking, okay, and what is he hacking, and the third thing is why he hacked. I mean, why am I hacked? So if my antivirus is outdated, is if my other things are outdated, then it couldn't be charged because I am not safe. Then he will definitely act. E-commerce and digital transactions laws. Told you guys, carding is the main thing. in our India. E-commerce and digital transactions. Yes, e-commerce like in 2014, if I'm not wrong. In 2014, some other guys, they were using the bug shoot. Okay, they were using the bug shoot to uh, price tampering the Flipkart website, if I'm not wrong. Okay, they just changed the value from 9,000 to 1 rupees, and it actually does. It actually worked at the day, and the product had came. Okay, so this was the e-commerce scams and digital transactions laws. These are the only things like gift cards, some other some premium uh, plans subscriptions like that. Seized around 17 laptops, and they were charged for 15 to 17 lakh, and all the data was seized, and they were come under 66 something. Yes, cybersecurity laws. Cybersecurity, it's related to the security laws. When you are doing a ethical hacking, ethical hacking means if you are doing and hacking which is ethical. Okay, it is authorized by your chief or any other your person or the client, that is come under the cybersecurity. Yeah, sorry, the main thing was cybersecurity. Okay, the cybersecurity was come under the security section. Okay, the security section is like if you are doing something, then that is connected to your security department. If you are doing something wrong, that could be a legal purpose, and that is come under IT Act. Okay, there is three types of act. The mainly are two: IT Act and the Evidence Act. Evidence Act are currently under into forensic, and the IT Act comes under into cyber law. Okay. Okay. Next is the next telecommunications and media laws. Telecommunications and media laws are like you are doing something telecommunicationally. You are just spoofed your number and call someone. Okay, you are just doing something. Oh, so, okay, fine. You are sending some bulk SMS to someone. You are sending some spoofed SMS to someone. You are so sending a bulk of OTPs to someone. You are sending bulk of phone calls, missed calls. These are comes under telecommunication and media laws. And in media laws, there are many child pornography, sextortions available. Always remember that that has a strict policy in our strict law in our India. In media laws, we have around five years of imprisonment and 5,000 rupees of both, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Regulations for digital currency on fintech. Okay, so in fintech, as I told you, financial technology and regular regulations on digital currency. Nowadays, you can see there are some videos running on Facebook that some celebrities are telling that come into this field and just send your wallet ID or send your address, send us some money that could be double within some months or within some days. So these are the digital currency fakes. Okay, and also one more thing you can see that they are not accepting the UPI, that cash. They always will accept the digital currency like digital cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, THX, and etc. Okay. Next, I'm coming to an interesting point. Hold on, guys. Look, this is the current offenses that happening in India. Okay, tampering with computer source codes. As I told you guys, in 66, section 65, that is currently under tampering with the computer source code. Hacking with computer system data alternation. I already told you guys, it's under 66. Also, always remember it is NCIB. Okay, I mean it is come under the NCIB and also in West Bengal government. Sending offensive messages through communication service, yes, already happened. Dishonestly receiving stolen computer resources systems or communication devices, already done. Next, okay, next is cyber terrorism. Okay, the cyber terrorism is nowadays it's a super illegal thing. If you are threatening someone that I'll kill you. One more thing, if you are some see or not, in Facebook, if you write something like "I'll kill you" in Bengali or in Hindi or in English, okay? Like I'll kill you, I'll chop you, then the Facebook will definitely automatically just deleted your comment, restricted account, and etc. Because it comes under cyber terrorism. Okay, you are doing something illegal and it is violation of privacy. It is violation of privacy. Yes, cyber terrorism is nothing but under section violation privacy. Okay, so you are threatening someone that you could kill her, kill him, or someone some chopped him, that kind of. And one more thing is like, okay, preservation and retention of information by intermediaries. Okay, this is meaning like the guys who is doing OSINT. Okay, OSINT means open source intelligence. Okay, so if you are collecting someone's number and by that number or by that email, you can gather some data, and you are reserving that in your computer, then it is come under 67C. Okay, powers to issue directions for interception or monitoring or decryption of an information through any computer resources. Okay, like I am using my office computer for some unethical purpose, or as I know that my computer, the of my office computers are connected to the servers, then I could use the server, okay, as my something else are illegal things, and I am impersonating that who is using the server, impersonating my computer as my office computer, then it could be under 69, 69A. Traffic. Okay, next is like 72. Okay, breach of confidentiality and privacy under section 72. Like a number. Okay, you are giving me a number or email, and after some time, I'm just giving you the password. It's you and me, nothing more. But if I am publishing the password to someone else, like come and take some free passwords, then yes, then it's come under 72, section 72, publishing false digital signature certificates. As you know, the digital signature certificates are only available with some softwares. Okay, if you downloaded some Chrome, some other desktop apps, then there will be some written that this is from a trusted source. Okay, this means you have downloaded a legitimate software. By whom it is qualifying? Actually, that Chrome, that software is already punched with digital certificate or digital signature certificate. and using that you are using that certificate to impersonate some software. That could be a false digital certificate, and it could be under section 73. Okay. Next, I will talk about. mm okay. Okay. Look, these are under 85. As I told you, which one remember? The sorry, the biometric thing. Yes, the biometric thing is under this thing, 66C. If you are leaving your company, okay, and the company don't deleted your fingerprint, and by chance they leaked and misused for your purpose, impersonate purpose, then that happened by companies. Okay, that could be under section 85. And this is the, you know that these are not in actually uh, cyber laws. What cases are that act intended to insult the modesty of woman is actually, I agree, these are kind of physical laws. Sending threatening messages by email. Okay, sending from fake email like hi to is a hi2.in. Hi2 is kind of fake mail. Okay, from here you can generate some fake mails, and also you can send them to someone. But make sure they collect your data. In case of you are doing that, they can the police can call to the hi.in and collect your IP address. Next, bogus websites. There are many websites look like Flipkart. There are many websites look like Amazon. Okay, but the price are 1 rupees, 2 rupees, or something like that. So these are the bogus websites. They look same, but they're different. Yes, cyber frauds, section 420. Yes, not only cyber frauds, in cheating, in physical cheating, it's also come under 420. Email spoofing. I am using your mail. I am using your mail to send someone. Okay, I'm using your mail to send someone that hey, hi, I am this person and I need some money. Okay, urgently, please give me. So these are like email spoofing, which comes under 463 IPC. Okay, making a false document. Okay, like nowadays we have seen that um in some other countries. Yes, in some other countries or like that, we already have seen that some of some of other users are also using false documents, like the passport, like the employee card. So these are also comes into false document. Forgery for purpose of cheating. Okay, so cheating, the forgery of purpose of cheating, it is come under 468 IBC, and also you have web hijacking. Make sure it is under DDoS attack. Okay, and also make sure this all IT Act comes under 5 years of imprisonment and around 5 lakh rupees of fine or both. Okay, web jacking or web hijacking is like you are a penetration tester and you are doing illegal things, and you just cracked someone's site and got into it, and after that you are using his account to impersonate as an administrator. Okay, so that's called web jacking, which comes under 383 IPC. Email abuse like you have an email. Okay, you have an email and I am sending you a bulk email. Okay, after sending that You can see that, yeah, I'm sending you a bulk email. Okay, fine. But in abuse, I am sending you some abused email, like your company is like, it is my ISOEH. Okay, so in my mail server, I will write that Nilanshu sir is doing something illegal, and I will running the email a many time using a Python script or using like that, something like that. Okay, so this is called email abuse, and after that, the email will be deleted. Okay, from the system. So this is called email abuse. This is comes under 5,500 IPC, and a total of 5 years of imprisonment and something around 1 lakh. Yes, 1 lakh. 1 lakh of fine. Punishment for criminal intimidation. This is not your work. Okay. One more thing. Matter related to blackmail. This one. Okay. Printing, etc. Glossy incident indent. Uh, or matter intended to blacklist section or 292 IPC. Sales etc. question or whether a young person. Okay. Suppose I am using someone's who is underage. Okay, and I am using his photo to somewhere else without his knowing. As I told you guys that this maybe this can be also under. Actually, one case has many sections. Okay, not only 66A. It could be under 66 IPC also. Uh, There's 66E. These are those things, and also section 294 or the 293. Okay, options. Okay, options. Option acts and songs. Yes, these are this under comes under 294, which is in social media. We have a strict rule that nobody could use. Okay, nobody could use any uh, illegal, not illegal, as it's vulgar ads, vulgar songs, etc. Okay, theft of computer hardware, you know that. Theft of computer hardware, if I got if I just run away with a SMTS or with a hard disk, then it is come under 378. Mm, online sale of drugs. Okay, these are under, as I told you, there are two types of, mainly in cybersecurity laws. These are cybersecurity laws, normally cybersecurity laws, and the main thing is IPC Act, and the one more thing is Evidence Act. And now we got found NDPS Act and Arms Act. Like someone is selling online selling of arms. Okay, then the lawyer should be comes from the Arms Act department. Okay, and if someone is selling the drugs, then it is come from NDPS Act. So these are the main sectors that is come that is under West Bengal right now. It's not only West Bengal, whole India actually, and mainly these are the main nodes that could be found in ncib.in. Okay, and also mm, okay, look, these are the common things actually. So the common things in now it is uh, somewhere in political departments, forgery of purpose of harming reputations. You know that some days ago there's a video leaked from the somewhere that harming someone's reputation or some party. Okay, so these are the come under 4, 6, and IPC. If that public got caught, okay, then that could be under 469 IPC. Okay, and the next thing is the conclusion. Hmm. Cyberspace. Okay. The conclusion. Okay. After a thorough understanding of cyber law is imperative for aspiring ethical hackers. Okay. It provides insights into legal frameworks governing digital activities. If you know that how how a real world actually works on. Okay. If I'm doing this, then what will be the impact? That it is quite easy for you, which is nothing but mainly cyber prudential. Okay, the knowledge about what you are doing and what are the ethical, unethical impact of that. That is come under cyber prudential. Comprehension ensures adherence to legal standards, mitigating risks like lawsuits and criminal charges. Okay, like you can come over the criminal charges and the lawsuits if you haven't done anything. Okay, if you done anything, then it's your issue. Ethical hacking rooted in legitimacy and ethics. Legality and ethics safeguards digital infrastructure and promotes cybersecurity for societal benefit. Okay, actually, we have to make the cyber world now in a better way. Okay, in a better way, like if you're doing something that is under the cyber law, then it's good. If you're not doing anything under cyber law, then it's bad. So the main safeguards, the main legality and ethics should be maintained. Okay, and as per that nowadays there are some new guys coming on the cybersecurity stage. Okay, so the cybersecurity stage is like welcoming stage. You can do anything, but if you've done anything, then you could be caught. Okay, so if you are doing anything, then do with a proper authorization. Do with a proper authorization. Do with a proper ethic. Do with proper lawsuit. Do with proper ethics. Yeah, safeguards. So these are the main things that we always have to follow, even we are professionals. Okay, not meaning professionals, not meaning like that we can do anything like that, anything like other hackers do. No, professional meaning we have to do something in legal standards. Okay. Mm, next, just hold on. Okay, and more one thing, if you guys having any issues on cyber laws, then you guys can contact me anywhere. Okay, and also you can contact ISOEH. It is always at your security. Okay, always at your lawsuit. And if you want to know about the cybersecurity and the many things, you can join ICH right now. And many other things are coming on cyber law. Like let me show one more thing. Okay. Um, that already I told you guys that some uh, Flipkart guys are caught. Okay. Scammers. Look, hold on. Share screen. Look, so in Flipkart's name, there are many sites that is already running. Okay, look, there are many sites running on. Okay, like yes, the many sites running on. The many other spam messages, fake messages coming from. If they got okay, they could be charged around 5 lakh rupees or something around 5 years of imprisonment or both. And one more thing, they could also come under some criminal lawyers, sorry, some criminal fraudsters. Okay, so they are, they could be always monitored by some police officers. Look, you already have guys got these things like congratulations and the wheel with in center it that push to resolve the whole thing. These are the main that you guys often got. And after that, look, I'm just talking about it. Spin. And next, fake online games. They just go for the spin things and then they will just tell you that spin it, and after that spinning, just share it to other friends. If you share, the IP will be caught, and after everything they will be charged. Just tell you, but give me your credit card number so you can deposit our money to your account. Okay, so they that how they just got the credit card and everything. And nowadays offline fraudsters are coming on everywhere. Like someone got into a home. Okay, after coming to your home, they just ask for, sir, there is an order for you. Okay, there's an order for you, and I just waiting for the order. Then you will say, no, that was not my order. Maybe it missed, right? Well, don't, they will say, okay, ma'am. But ma'am, for the cancellation, there will be OTP will gone to your gone to your phone. Okay. For the cancellation, there are some OTP will send to your phone. That's mean that is a scam. If you give them the OTP, that could be a scam. That is under offline frauds. Offline frauds are nowadays is kind of easy. It's mostly easy. Fake job offers, it's under 66C, impersonating some bank information, some job information, some other data information. If you are in guise about that or disguise about that, then that could be under your fake job offer. Okay, and if the scammer or the guy caught, then that could be charged for 5 lakh rupees of imprison, or for 5 lakh rupees or 5 years of imprisonment for the both. Okay, nowadays look, fake Flipkart franchises and the many things, other methods is cheaters. Yes, yes. Also, some WhatsApp messages that you guys have got. That look, mm, hello sir, you just have won a 25 lakh of lottery from KBC, right? These are also under 420 and 66C. Under KBC, you are using a company's name or a trademark's name. Okay, you are cheating. That's why you are under 420. So now here we are charging him with two total of two IPA sections, and they could be charged around 5 10 lakh and 5 10 years of something. But in the IPA sections, that could be decreased actually around 8 or 7 or 8 years of imprisonment, right? Okay, next. Mm, okay, fake Flipkart franchises. They will come to your house. Okay. Hello, sir. My name is ABC. I'm just taking a sample. My name is ABC. I'm just giving a free credit card. Okay. Can you sir just tell me your Aadhaar card number? Bus. Aadhaar card number. When you are giving your Aadhaar card number, your number will be generated a OTP. Okay, one-time password that is connected to 66 law number 66C. You are impersonating some other company's name and you are cheating. It is 420. So, in the 420 law, they are using the Flipkart franchises to get into imprisonment. So, these are the main things that we should keep in mind. Okay, and also I will wait for some time for you guys to, if there are any questions is being asked. Okay, so this is my cyber law presentation about it, and one more thing, that if you have any conclusions or any anything, then you just could ask me. Then you just could ask me anytime. Okay, okay. In cyber laws, there are many opportunities. Come to ISH and experience the performance. Cyber laws are nowadays it is coming to our daily life. Okay? Because the government is taking over everything. So we have to follow the whole rules, or the whole rule set, the way of hacking, the way of mastering something, the way of doing some legal or illegal things, everything. If you are also doing some illegal things, then it should be concerned from the upper chairmans that they are taking the responsibilities that you are doing some illegal things. So, and the more thing, okay, next thing is in the next season will be happen one, and the more thing you can connect to me via ICH. Okay, so thank you for today. If any questions, you can still ask me. We have still around 1 minute of left. Thank you, Manus, and also you can come to ISH. Okay, I hope you guys don't have any questions other. So I could leave. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.